Do you ever suddenly get so hungry at night? It seems like your whole mind is consumed by only images of food. Okay, it's time to satisfy those cravings. Let's first prepare the white radish. Peel the white radish with a vegetable peeler and cut into chunks. Because white radish has a bitter taste, we're going to boil them for a few minutes to get rid of the bitterness. In a clean wok, add in the boiled white radish, water, and the brown slab sugar piece. Bring to a boil and cook for 10 minutes. Remove and set aside everything, meaning don't dump out the liquid. This is beef omasum, otherwise known as ao pa yi. You may have seen this as a steamed dish served in dim sum places. Clean it thoroughly by sprinkling on salt and cornstarch while rubbing it on each layer. Rinse thoroughly. Pat dry and cut into pieces. I promise this will taste so good in your curry. This is the star of the show because we are making curry, and this is the only brand I use. And some satay paste. 即係沙爹醬。柱侯醬。Some tumeric. Oops, that was too much. It's not what you're thinking. Stir fry the garlic and shallots. Add in your beautiful curry paste. Yes, it's going to be beautiful. And keep on frying the paste for a few minutes to allow the flavors to come out. A splash of Chinese cooking wine. Add back in the cooked white radish and the liquid. You better have not thrown out that liquid because it is crucial for this dish. The beef omasum is going to steal the show. It absorbs the curry much better than the other ingredients. Trust me, you'll just thank me later. Fish balls and also beef balls, because why not? Pretty much just keep on mixing everything. We have to season this. Is it just me, or does the oyster sauce never come out the way I want it to be? It either doesn't come out or half of the bottle comes out. Ignore the sound of my stove, please. Glossy and shiny. Which way do you prefer to eat it? It's happiness. It's flashbacks to childhood. The one who stole the show. I like to seek for thrills in my life by wearing white and eating curry.